Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're gonna make something yummy for the kids. Broccoli tots. Yes, you heard me, broccoli tots. They're gonna be cheesy broccoli tots, and it's gonna be a way to get that vegetable in the kids without them even realizing it. Well, they might taste it a little bit, but still, it'll be a delicious way to get that veggie in. And for the adults, because I made these for my husband and he loves them. So let's get started. So what you'll need today is 2 cups of finely chopped broccoli. I usually use a kitchen shear or scissors I'll have primarily to keep in the kitchen so that I only use them for everything in the kitchen. So I take them and I chop up the steamed broccoli, I pop it in the microwave, get it nice and soft and chop it up really well. You're gonna need a half a cup of almond flour, a half a cup of cheddar cheese, or cheese of your choice, but kids like cheddar. Who doesn't like cheddar? I like sharp cheddar because you can taste that it's more rich and it's more, well, I guess cheddary. So get that sharp cheddar. 1 egg. And in this bowl I have onion powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. These flavors melt together perfectly, and it gives you a nice flavorful bite every time you eat that tater tot. So let's get started. We're gonna with these ingredients, you just pop them all in a bowl and stir. That's simple. So get our 2 cups of broccoli. This is what I like about this recipe. It's like get everything in the bowl, stir it up, no extra special steps other than forming our little tots, and then you just go about your way. We got that broccoli in there, we got our almond flour in there, our seasonings, yum. You know, I saw this actually at a store. Here, let me grab my whisk. Let's get that a little bit incorporated real fast. You know, we want to get all those lumps out from that almond flour. Okay. I saw something like this at the store. They had veggie tots. And I thought, we can make that, why not? And then you'll get more for your money. Because I think they were like $4. Not $4 for some little tots. And it was like, what, 15 in a bag? Not happening. This recipe makes about 15 tots, and it's easy to make. The kids can make this with you. So put your cheese in, get all that in there. All right, get your egg in there. I like to break it up a little bit. Go, put that in there. So you're just going to incorporate it really well. Nice and stir it up. Do you guys like broccoli? I mean, it's a hit or miss for some people. Some people absolutely hate broccoli. And then you have those ones who really love broccoli. I'm a broccoli lover. I have to tell you, I'm a broccoli lover. I think it's really good for you. Good vitamins in there. Vitamin C, I believe. Heart healthy. And it gives me energy. And if you're on a keto diet like I am, you know, the broccoli is really good for you. It helps to get things going, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. So get that nicely stirred up. See that? There you go. So once you get it all incorporated, what you're going to do is get yourself a spoon. This is a tablespoon measure. I like to have everything even out proportion, so here's what you're going to do. You're just going to take your tablespoon measure, and you're going to pretty much scoop out a little bit. Take your little fingers, because your fingers and your hands are the best tool in the kitchen. Okay, so you're going to squeeze it together. See that like that. Squeeze that together. Take your other 2 fingers and kind of like go like that. See that? And you're going to make a tot shape. Super easy. See that? Nice. Tot shape. So you're going to repeat this, and it should give you 15 little tots. All right? Take it in your hand again. Squeeze it. And then you can have your kids do this too. They'll love it, you know, because they can make their own tater tots. So, I mean, come on, who doesn't want to make your own tot? We used to, of course, eat potato tots. So but these are broccoli tots. I want to say tater tots, but they're not. They're broccoli tots. And you know what? You can also, I believe, make these with some cauliflower. so you can have some cauliflower cheddar tots. That will be so delicious. So we're going to continue to shape them like this. I'll show you one more time. Squeeze in, press, and turn. Squeeze in, just really gently, okay? Press and turn. And then you have your nice size broccoli tot. Delicious. So we're going to continue to make these, about 15 of them, and then we're going to pop them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to allow them to set up and get nice and solidified. And then we're going to pop them inside the oven, bake them up, and we'll be right back, and I'll show you what they look like once we have them all golden brown. Oh, I'm sure I didn't mention, preheat your oven, of course, to 350 degrees. And when you bake them, you'll bake them on each side for 8 to 10 minutes until they get nice and golden brown and set up. Then turn them after that, turn them after the first 8 to 10 minutes. Bake them again for 8 to 10 minutes until they get nice and brown, okay? You know, you might have to add a little more minutes in there, but make sure you test one to see if it's fully cooked inside, all right? Okay, guys, we'll get back with you right when they're done. Bye. Okay, guys, we are back, and look at those babies. Delicious tater tots. I have the rest on the stove over there. It made like 15 tater tots, okay? Sorry, let me rephrase that. Not tater tots, but broccoli tots. They taste so good, you know, you can't even tell they're not potatoes, but they're really delicious. Look at that. Nice big tater tots. You only need really a few and you'll get full. So we're gonna give these a try, all right? Those are really good. Seasoning is perfect. Really flavorful with that cheese and the broccoli blend together, because we know cheese and broccoli just goes together really well. The kids will love these. Give them a try. Serve them at your next meal, or just give them to them as a snack. Super healthy, great for you. Broccoli cheddar tots. Okay, guys, so if you like this recipe, definitely check it out on our website at faithforketokitchen.com, and also like this video and be sure to subscribe. You know, we'll definitely put out more videos for you that your kids will love, family friendly, and always keto friendly. And definitely click that little bell thingy so that you'll get notifications every time I do upload some new videos. So you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and we'll see you soon next time on Faithful Keto Kitchen. Bye, guys.